I've noticed that fun and delicious ways to eat cucumbers have been a huge trend recently. So here's a cucumber salad recipe that I found years before this trend was hot. I'm making this with a whole English cucumber, but you can use however much you would like and just adjust accordingly. Give your cucumber a good wash, then cut off the ends of your cucumber. Then cut your cucumber in half to make it easier, then cut into quarters lengthwise. Line your pieces up and cut them about 1 to 2 centimeters thick. I like the pieces to be small, but still thick enough to have a nice crunch. Once your cucumber is all chopped up, grab yourself a bowl and load them in. Add in a few teaspoons of salt to draw the water out of the cucumbers and mix them up so they are all coated. Then just wait 15 minutes. While we wait for the cucumbers, grab a small clove of garlic. I like garlic a little too much, so I'm using 2. Give them a good smash to loosen up the peels, then start chopping. Mince it up as finely as you can to avoid large, raw chunks of garlic ruining your bites. This will do, but you can mince it finer too. Set your minced garlic aside in the bowl you will make your salad in. Then, when your cucumbers are ready, there will be a small pool of water at the bottom that was drawn out by that salt. Grab yourself a strainer and thoroughly wash your cucumbers to get all of that salt off. Once I didn't wash the salt off enough, and my mom and I had a very unpleasant surprise when we took the first bites. Once they are salt-free, give them a good pat dry with some paper towel or a clean tea towel. Get as much of that water off as you can. Grab your bowl with the garlic in it and add your cucumber pieces in. Add about a tablespoon of rice vinegar, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of sesame oil, a bit of MSG, which is optional, some red pepper flakes, and some sesame seeds. Give it a very thorough mix, bringing that minced garlic up from the bottom, then pop it in the fridge for at least 15 minutes to let those flavors soak in. While you wait, why not indulge in a relaxing glass of wine? Once your salad is ready, enjoy! I promise you will not be able to put the bowl down.